Good morning, everybody. Welcome to IDO Academy. Today we are discuss about a current affair, and the news is Indian Navy Sprint Initiative. News is dependent on the Sprint Initiative, and which is the Sprint Initiative we will discuss in this next section. In the introduction, the Indian Navy has recently announced a collaboration with Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited. Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited is a private company, and Indian Navy will collaborated with Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited. Which why Indian Navy collaborated with this company? For development of armed autonomous boat swarm. That means this sprint is like a boat, autonomous boat, which is the part of sprint initiative. That means the Sagar Defence Engineering Private Limited will make autonomous boats, and these boats made in the part of the sprint initiative. Okay, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in July of last year started sprint. And what is the meaning of sprint? Please concentrate on this. Sprint means supporting pole valuating in research and development through innovation of defense excellence. So this is the full form of sprint. Okay, and aim of the this initiative is to promote the development and uses of indigenously defense technologies. Indigenous defense technologies, that means the technology which is developed in our country. Okay, and this technology is one of the part of 75 challenges. Okay, and it is introduced by Indian Navy under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This is celebrated in India for 27 years of the independence. That's why this sprint initiative started. Okay, so next, in the next slide, we are discussing about India's first armed autonomous unmanned boat. That means this boat is unmanned. It is run by any machine, not by man. Okay. Sagar Defense Engineering has started that its process the know how to develop India's first armed autonomous unmanned boat. Please concentrate on unmanned boat. Okay, and with the swarming capabilities, there are the many capabilities of this boat, and this is the part of defense system. Indian defense system. Okay, according to the company, the platform will be able to conduct a varieties of navy, because in our Indian Navy needs different types of developments, different type of technologies which strengthen our Indian Navy. That's why the security task and including high speed interdiction surveillance, and this boat is doing all these things, will do all these things. That's why this boat is important, and why Indian Army is focused on this boats. This is the answer. Okay, Indian Navy plan to order 12 system. Okay, and the collaboration with Sagar Defense Engineering is the 50th contract signed under the Sprint Initiative. Please concentrate on this Sagar Defense Engineering Limited, because in your upcoming examination the question will ask about this company. Okay, this is asked in your PCS exam or UPSC exams. So Sagar Defense Engineering is the 50th contract signed under the Sprint Initiative, and Indian Navy plan to place an order of 12 system. Okay, so 12 types of boats is or will made by this company, and these boats are unmanned boats. The agreement is the part of the Defense India Startup Challenging, and this the short form of Defense India Startup Challenging is DISC 7, DISC 7. Okay, and this is the part also part of in Sprint Initiative. So you understood all about things which I'm telling you. Please give me a comment section, notes on comment section. If you have any problem, you will ask me in the comment section. Sprint initiative aim to conduct 75 new technologies by 2023. We all know that this is a 2023, and in 1 year this company will give the boats to the Indian Army. And Indian Army, that means Indian Navy. So, as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration in and the effort of achieve self-reliance in defense, because in Indian Navy purchased many equipment from USA and Russia. That is the problem, because Indian government spends so much money for purchasing the defense equipment. So Indian government and Indian Navy are focusing on to make a defense system in India. That's why the celebration in this effort to self-reliance in defense and novel innovation and the integration organization aims to induct at least 75 new technologies, because there are many technologies to improve the Indian defense system. So the Indian government and Indian Navy will focusing on to introduce at least 75 new technologies in the Indian Navy through the Sprint initiative. So the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started that the goal should be for the Indian Navy to be an unprincipled high when the country celebrate 100 years of independence. So Indian Navy and Indian government are focusing the 75 technologies including in the Indian defense system to increase the capability of Indian defense system. That is the very important for India, also a Indian economy and economy plus Indian defense system. So this is the concept behind this. So please my friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem regarding to this topic, you are free to ask me from the comment section, and you also connect with me in YouTube. That is the important for upcoming examination for you. Thank you. We will meet in next section, next video, and next lecture. Thank you.